Hi Jennifer, I just want to make this quick video to show you how to navigate to the practice exercises. So I've already opened a student Cengage account here, and this is the screen that it brings me to immediately. So to go to the table of contents, you can click here and this will show you the reading, but I want to see the practice exercises and the broader table of contents that will show you all the chapters and everything all at once. So I'm going to X out of the book completely by clicking on this X. And you see here it'll show you everything. So right now for week 3 you're doing chapter 5. And here you'll see those practice exercises. So you'll see there's the chapter 5, check yourself. And then under study tools, there's chapter homework, apply yourself learning lab, and then there's test yourself. And then even under pathology, there's some matching as well. So you just have to, play with these little arrows to see, what drops down and where. So then if we go to chapter 6, let's look here. So there's a reality check under chapter 6. There's some under study time. Under pathology, there's some matching. And this is, let's see, well, this is your graded one. The quick check labeling, 6-1, that's graded. You can tell because of the red dot that says counts towards grade. And the rest are all practice here. So you should be able to see this. I am logged in as you, so you can see here in the top left, it does have your name here. So you should be able to see all of this. Just again, remember, it might bring you, when you first log in, you might see this. It might look like reading. So you have to click out of this by clicking on the X. All right, so you got to click on this X up here in the top right in order to X out of the reading. And then you'll be able to see this full table of contents and you'll be able to see all of the practice exercises. All right, let me know if this helps. Thank you.